Hey there, future crypto millionaire. Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide on how to claim free airdrops. If you've ever wondered how people get free crypto just for doing simple tasks, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find, claim, and even maximize your earnings from crypto airdrops step by step. And guess what? Some airdrops have made people thousands, even millions of dollars. So grab a notepad, open your laptop, and let's dive in. First, what the heck is an airdrop? Imagine a company dropping free samples of a new product, same idea, but with crypto. Direct hit developers distribute free tokens to promote their project, reward early supporters, or decentralize ownership. There are different types of airdrops. Standard airdrops hold a specific crypto. Bounty airdrops complete tasks like retweets. Holder airdrops reward existing token holders. Exclusive airdrops for early testers/whitelist. Some legendary airdrops? Uniswap, Uni, gave early users $10,000 plus. Arbitrum's airdrop made people bank. Could you be next? Not all airdrops are real, some are scams. You don't want to lose crypto instead of gaining it. Here's how to spot the real ones. Legit, official project website, verified Twitter, no private key requests. Scam, sends 0.1 ETH to receive 10 ETH. Never do this. Best places to find real airdrops? Airdrop aggregators, airdrops.io, CoinMarketCap airdrops. Official project Twitter/Discord. Crypto news sites, Cointelegraph, Decrypt. Ready to claim your first airdrop? Follow these steps. Step 1. Set up a crypto wallet. Recommendations: MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Phantom, for Solana. Never use an exchange wallet, Binance, Coinbase. Airdrops need a private wallet. Step 2. Get some gas fees. You'll need a little ETH, SOL, and BNB for transactions. Step 3. Find and complete airdrop tasks. Example: follow Twitter, join Telegram, swap a small amount on a DX. Step 4. Claim and secure your tokens. Some airdrops autosend, others require manual claim. Want to hit the jackpot? Do this. Use multiple wallets, but don't abuse projects. Detect Sybil attacks. Engage early, testnets, beta programs equals bigger rewards. Hold or sell. When to cash out versus hold for long-term gains. Boom! You're now an airdrop pro. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I don't want you to miss the next big airdrop. Until next time, happy claiming!